Number 1. Wix XP 51356. Many factory oil filters are only built to minimum standards, and that means fine contaminants can sneak through, slowly wearing down critical internal parts. The Wix XP 51356 steps in with a stronger seal and dependable construction, made right here in the United States. It's designed to keep your engine cleaner during regular oil change intervals without adding extra cost. At around $7, it's one of the most affordable choices in this entire lineup, and still delivers the reliable protection most drivers need. A simple, budget-friendly upgrade that keeps your engine running strong. That's Wix XP. Number 2. Purolator Bosch PBL 14610. If you tow, haul, or drive long highway miles, your engine creates more contaminants and demands stronger filtration. Cheaper filters can clog early, restricting oil flow and causing wear. Purolator Bosch uses smart fusion synthetic media to trap over 99% of dirt and hold more of it over time. Its heavy-duty steel casing and silicone anti-drainback valve prevent leaks and dry starts, even under extreme pressure. At about $11, you're paying for long-lasting confidence. When your engine works harder, this is a filter built to keep up. Number 3. FRAM Ultra-Synthetic XG7317. Modern engines are tighter, smarter, and rely on synthetic oil to stay protected. A basic filter just can't handle that level of demand. The FRAM Ultra-Synthetic uses dual-layer synthetic media designed for up to 20,000 miles of protection. Its silicone non-drainback valve provides superior startup lubrication, and the SureGrip coating makes installation clean and easy, especially for DIY car owners. At around $8, you get outstanding performance for the price, strong filtration, extended protection, a very smart middle ground pick. Number 4. Mobil 1 M110A Extended Performance. If you prefer long intervals between oil changes, your filter must stay strong, not clog or collapse. Mobil 1 Extended Performance is built exactly for that. Rated for up to 20,000 miles or 1 full year, it removes over 99% of contaminants, and its heavy-duty canister withstands 9 times the normal oil pressure inside your engine. Premium strength at a premium cost, about $32 for a 2-pack, for drivers who demand the very best for their engine. Mobil 1 delivers protection without compromise. Number 5. Bosch 3323 Premium Oil Filter. Dirt and sludge are the silent killers of any engine. If the filter can't capture enough of that contamination, damage starts building immediately. Bosch 3323 uses Filtech media capable of holding up to 14 grams of dirt, keeping harmful particles out of your engine. Its strong steel housing prevents warpage and leaks, while the silicone anti-drainback valve ensures clean oil flow every time you start the vehicle. And here's the best part. It costs only about $6. Reliable build quality, excellent dirt-holding power, and the best price on the list. That makes Bosch 3323 one of the strongest budget values available today. Every filter on this list can protect your engine, as long as it fits your vehicle and matches the way you drive. Which one would you trust in your car? Comment below with your top 2 picks, and let me know what you want to see in the next video. If this helped you make a better choice, go ahead and give the video a like, and subscribe for more real-world auto gear reviews. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and keep driving strong.